Hi everyone. Good evening. Am I audible to all of you? Can you please confirm in the chat? Yes. Hi. Good evening. Crocodile Larka. I don't know your name, but thank you. Thanks for joining. Guys, I think I'm audible. I'm visible to all of you. Let me know. Just give me a confirmation in the chat. You can send any kinds of emoji. Yeah. Hi, Muhammad. Hi. So it's been long again. We are live on our channel on our platform, and I think guys, I started one live computer vision batch on our platform Euron, and today is the first session, okay, introduction session of that. Hmm. I'll be more discussing about that, okay. What is the course about, all about, like what are the things we're gonna learn, each and everything we'll try to discuss. Yeah, hi, Muhammad, wa alaikum assalam. Frank Miller, hi. uh, Hi, all of you. Hi. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, Sachin, good evening. Good evening, all of you. I also want to teach with you, but I learned data science with Sudhanshu sir and Krish. Okay. Hi, Prithvi. Hi. Okay, so I will wait 1 more minute so that everyone can join and we can start with our session. So today it would be introduction session, guys, and please be with me because today I'm going to like make you understand like what exactly the computer vision, and through the entire course, okay, whatever things we're gonna learn, so each and everything I'll try to discuss. Sir, is this course is end-to-end computer vision? Yes, definitely, Mohammed, it would be end-to-end computer vision. Okay, so here we'll be more focusing on the practical development. Okay, like in computer vision you will see like we have image classification, object detection, image segmentation, then object tracking, GANs. Okay, everything we'll try to learn, okay, in practical. But before that, whatever theoretical understanding you need, definitely I'll try to provide. No need to worry. Because I saw that many people face the difficulty whenever it comes to application development. Okay, they will face the difficulty. Let's say they have one problem statement, but they don't know how to start that problem statement, how to prepare the data, okay, how to train the model, how to save the model, how to create the application. So these things we'll try to more focus on in the entire course. Hi, this course will include deployment on the edge devices. No, edge devices we are not going to deploy, Sandeep, but I will show you how we can deploy on the cloud platform. Currently, as a fresher, getting job machine learning, deep learning, need how much knowledge in mathematics? See, the basics mathematics you need, like the linear algebra, then basics of calculus, okay, matrix, vector. If you have the understanding on that, I think this is sufficient. Okay. Is there any prerequisite for this course? Yes, I'm expecting you are familiar with Python programming and basics of deep learning. Okay, Muhammad. Yeah. Hi, Hamid. Hi. Okay, guys. So I think we can start our session. So what I can do, I can just share my screen, guys. Let me know if you can see my screen, all of you. Just a minute. Okay, my screen is visible, all of you. Let me know in the chat. Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Okay, I hope it is visible. Yeah. So guys, we I have launched one live batch on our platform Euron. The batch name is Computer Vision with Real Time Development. Okay, and today is the first session of that particular course. So going forward, we'll try to continue this class. Okay, regular basis, not regular basis actually, there is a time schedule. I'll let you know, okay, what would be the time schedule. So every Wednesday and Thursday actually we'll have the session at the same time. So all the details I'll show you, okay, where you will get all the details and everything. I'll try to show you, okay. And if you see below the screen there is a number, okay. If you have, let's say, any query about the course, okay, about the timing and all, you can feel free to reach out to the number, okay. So WhatsApp number is also available. Even you can also directly call to the number, okay. Even I will also share my social media link with you. If you want me, you can also connect with me, okay. No need to worry. So if you don't know me, guys, my name is Boktiar Ahmed Bappi, and I'm having more than 5 years of experience, 5 years of working experience in the field of Python, machine learning, deep learning, MLOps, generative AI, and robotic system. So currently, I'm working as an associate manager and data scientist with Euron. Okay, so maybe there are lots of people they have already attended my courses. Okay, previously I also used to take the classes in iNeuron. Even I also have my YouTube channel. Even I have also taken like different session over the different YouTube channel. Okay, so lots of people, I think they already know about me. But if you don't know me, guys, so this is me, and these are my social media. So you can see this is my LinkedIn, this is my YouTube channel, and this is my GitHub. So feel free to connect me here, okay. Fine. So first of all, let me discuss about the course, okay. The course actually you are going to start. So just go to the euron.one website, and there you will see the live courses section, okay. So click on the see all. Now here you will see the courses computer vision with real-time development. So let me open up this particular course, okay. Now guys, this is the dashboard, okay. This is your dashboard. So here you can see all the details would be there. So the course starting date, so today is the starting date of the course, and the class timing would be Wednesday and Thursday 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST, okay. So every Wednesday and Thursday, okay, 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST, okay. And the course duration would be, I think, 2 to like 3 months, okay. I think in between we'll try to cover, because we'll have the regular basis session. So maybe we'll try to cover, okay, before the let's say 3 month, or let's say less than that. Now prerequisite wise, actually I'm expecting you know about like Python, at least the Python programming I'm expecting. And if you have the understanding on the deep learning, basics of deep learning and machine learning, this would be plus point for you. But if you don't know, it's completely fine. Practical wise, you will try to understand everything, okay. The way actually I'll try to explain, the way actually I'll write the code, everything will try to understand. But whenever I'll discuss some of the theoretical part, let's say whenever I'll discuss the architecture of the computer vision model, that time you may face some difficulty. But no need to worry. If you are interested learning computer vision, if you want to deep dive into the theory, so try to learn the deep learning at the very first, okay. This is required. Now this is the entire curriculum, okay. So here you can see we have around I think you can consider 10 module actually we'll be having. So first of all, definitely we'll try to give the introduction of the computer vision. We'll be learning about the image processing. We'll try to understand the image videos, okay, each and everything we'll try to understand. Then we'll be starting with the pre-trained model, or you can also talk about transfer learning. Because in computer vision, whatever, let's say, project we'll be doing, mostly we'll be using the pre-trained model or transfer learning approach, okay. So these are the model is already trained with huge amount of data, okay. We call it as a coco data, ImageNet data. So these are the benchmark data. So these are the model has already trained with that model data. So we'll try to see how we can use this pre-trained model, how we can let's say train our custom data on top of it, and how we can create like some amazing application, okay, over the like on top of this particular model. So in computer vision we are having some like actually sector, like we have image classification, we have object detection, then we have object tracking, we have let's say this one GANs, okay. So each and everything we'll try to discuss, okay, no need to worry. Then we'll also see some cloud infrastructure. Like if you, let's say, want to train one specific model, let's say you don't have the good configuration PC, okay, that time what you can do, you can move to the cloud platform, there you can train. I will also show you how to prepare the data, how to annotate the data, how to augment the data, okay. Each and everything I'll try to show you. So after, like you can see, training the model, we'll also learn how to create the application. We'll try to also create some web application. Even we'll also try to deploy that application over the cloud, okay. Then we'll, at the end, we'll also try to implement some of the projects, okay. This is the main things we have to learn at the end. So in this course, can you please teach after training the model how we can create a web application by the Streamlit? Yeah, definitely. Not Streamlit, we'll also see like Flask, okay. Then Fast API, we'll try to see each and everything, Mohammed. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah, and web interface wise, actually, you can create anything. You can also use some, let's say, front end framework. Like you can use no Next.js. Okay, then you can use React to create one beautiful user interface. But if you're not familiar with that, you can use Python package. Okay, to create the web interface. But as a computer vision engineer, you have to know the actual component. Okay, of that project, like how to build the model, how to prepare the data. Okay, the entire pipeline you have to learn. All right. Hmm. Fine. And guys, if you like the session, so what you can do, you can come here and you can please put a rating. Okay, put a rating on your reviews. If you have any feedback, if you have any suggestion, you can give it here. All right. Hmm. So I think guys, you are already familiar with Euron. So whatever services actually we have in the Euron. So let me tell you. See, Euron is having actually different services. So the first service you can see, this is the Byte service. Okay, Byte means this is kinds of reels. Okay, so I think over the YouTube channel, then let's say Instagram, you watch reels, right? So in Euron also we have the reels functionality, but it is not actually entertainment reels. So this is the education related reels. Okay, let's say if you want to learn some new technology. Okay, if you want to see some educational content, that time you can like refer this particular bytes. So here you will be having all kinds of technical related reels. Okay, then we have Euron Plus. So what is the Euron Plus? See, Euron Plus is a, like you can say, service. So it's a kinds of Netflix of education. So once you take the subscription of the Uran Plus, that means you can access all the courses. Okay, all the books, all the, let's say, services from the Uran site. Okay, let's say whatever upcoming course is coming, whether it's a live, whether it's a recording. Okay, anything. Okay, anything is coming, you can access everything there. Okay, with the help of this particular Uran Plus subscription. Fine. So it's just a 1 year subscription. If you are taking 1 year subscription, it is a like a very less amount. You can see the amount, maybe it is in dollar, but I can show you also. Just a minute. Mm, let me open incognito window. Mm, okay, maybe I'm from different region, that's why it's showing in dollar. But if you open it up, you will see the Indian rupees. Okay, it's around 2,900, I think, around. Okay, yeah, fine. All right, then we have something called Euron Assistant. Okay, but so what is Euron Assistant exactly? So this is the similar kinds of your Chat GPT. Okay, so let's say whenever you are attending any kinds of session, whenever you are doing any kinds of project, definitely you will have some error. Okay, you will have some query. So what you can do, you can come to the Euron Assistant, and here you can ask that particular question, or let's say if you are having any error, okay, you can fix it with this particular Euron Assistant. But now you can ask me, like, what about the Chat GPT? See, you can also use Chat GPT, but what happens? Chat GPT by default will give you one free model. Okay, so it has some limitation. Okay, it has some content limitation. But in Euron Assistant, you don't have any kinds of content limitation. So you can send as much as request you can. Okay, with a good quality response. So here you don't need to pay for the Euron like assistant. If you're taking the Euron Plus subscription, you don't need to pay. Okay, so 24 hours you can send the request, you can get the response. And it is still under development. Going forward, you will see there would be also image uploader. Okay, voice uploader, everything will be added here. Even you can also ask the question related Euron, like if you're looking for any courses, if you're looking for any services. Okay, each and everything it can give you the response. Okay, so this is actually the custom development, actually, let's say, assistant we have developed in our platform. Right. So this is only for the Euron Plus subscriber. Okay, this is not for individual course subscriber, guys. Okay, if you are taking individual course, see, you won't be able to access the Euron Plus. But if you have the that Euron Assistant, but if you're having the Euron Plus subscription, that time you can access. Fine. Hmm. Then you have partnership. Okay, so what is partnership exactly? See, I think you know, like all the companies is having their own marketing strategy, right? So what we have done in the Euron, so all the courses we have. Okay, so if you're sharing any kinds of courses, let's say I want to share this course, let's say I want to share my computer vision course, let's say this course. So there is a share button. You can see there is a share button. Okay, if you share this particular course with anyone, okay, and if they purchase the course, so what will happen, you will be getting 50% of the revenue. So here you can see, if I go to the partnership, see, if anyone is purchasing your course, you are getting 50% of the revenue. Let's say the course price is 3000, okay, if anyone is purchasing the course, you will be getting 1500. Okay, so that's how you can earn actually money with the Uran. It's not like that we are only earning, you will be also earning. Okay, so this kinds of partnership like facility Uran will also give you, so you can share as much as you can, and if anyone is purchasing, definitely you will be getting the money, and everything is like transparent here. If you go to the analytics section, okay, yes, you can also post over the LinkedIn, okay, anywhere you can post. Now see, there is an analytics section, so here you can see like how many clicks you got on your link, then from that link actually how many, let's say, people got sign up, okay, that means like they created the account, then how many people actually purchased your course, okay, so each and everything you can see with real time analytics. Okay, see all the graph, all the, let's say, metadata, everything you can see here, everything is transparent. Even you can also see who has purchased your course, okay, everything would be available. Even you can also see the your earning. See, so I can show you actually, let's say this is my second account, this is the earning actually I did. Okay, uh I past 1 month actually. Okay, you can see it's around $585. Okay. Hmm. So everything is transparent guys to you, so simply just share the link, and if anyone is purchasing, definitely you will be getting 50% of the revenue, and instantly you can get the payment. If you're from India, you can get the payment from PayPal, or let's say net banking, UPI. Okay, from these are the services you can get the payment. But if you're from outside India, that time you can use Payoneer, either you can use PayPal. Okay, but for outside India actually, you just need to wait for some days to get the payment. Okay, because once you send the request, there's some processing. Okay, takes time. So after that you will receive the payment, but if you're from India, you can get the payment instantly. Okay. Hmm. Then apart from that, there is another section you can see, roadmap. So let's say if you're looking for any kinds of roadmap, let's say you want to learn generative AI, what you can do, you can click here. So it will open up one video. Okay, that video actually you will see the entire roadmap of the generative AI. That's how you can also see the business analytics, ML ops, okay, and so on. So going forward, we'll also add actually all kinds of roadmap, whether it's a, let's say, web development, whether it's a data science, machine learning, okay, anything you will be getting here. Fine. Then there is another section called Euron courses. Let's say you want to know how many courses are coming, okay, in the next month, or let's say next few months. So everything you can see here. So the course name, the starting date, class timing, okay, course language, even the course direct link. Okay, because sometimes what happens, let's say people are not aware about whether there is any live batches coming or not. Okay, whether there is any recorded batches coming or not. Okay, so simply what you can do, click the click on the Euron courses, and it will launch this particular sheet, and in the sheet actually you can see everything in just one place. Okay, so I think you know guys, we have started this course, computer vision with real time development. This is the today's date. Okay, and there is another course is coming called agentic AI, so it will start from 15 January. Okay, so that's how actually we have different courses coming. So PDF notes for ebooks, yeah, note is also available. Okay, note you will also get. Hmm. All right, now let me show you the dashboard. Okay, let's say after the class where you will be getting the videos and the resources. Okay, so for this what you can do, let's say first of all I will go to my courses. So this is the computer vision courses. So here there is a option called go to courses. Okay, just click here, and here you can see, uh, currently it is live. Okay, because it is also going live in our dashboard also. But once live is over, you will see the class date. Okay, class date with the URL. If you just click here, it will play the video, and here you will be getting one resources section. Okay, here you will be getting one resources section. So from there you can download all the resources. Okay, so whatever resources I'm going to share in the chat, everything would be available, okay, in the resources section. Even you can see there is a resources button. If you click here, okay, all the resources you can download from here. Fine. So please try to check your dashboard always. Okay, after, let's say, after your class, let's say if you need any notes, if you need any resources, everything would be available in the resources tab. So those who are watching from YouTube, so I'll suggest, go to the dashboard. Okay, from there you can download everything. Okay, because it won't be available over the YouTube. Okay, it would be available in the dashboard itself. Hmm. So anyone having any query regarding the course, you can let me know. Any query? So many people were waiting for this particular course. They were asking, sir, we need computer vision course. So finally it is available. So now we'll try to explore everything, like whether it's a classification, object detection, segmentation, tracking. Okay, everything we'll try to learn. Yes, certificate, definitely will be getting the certificate. Once you complete the course, you can generate the certificate also. Okay. Hmm. All right. So yes, this was all about our platform and the dashboard. I hope you got it. Now we can start with our like agenda for today, like introduction to computer vision. So if you're ready, guys, can I start? Just give me a quick confirmation in the chat. Can I start with our agenda? Let me know. All right. Sir, is certificate is available for premium members? See, if you want to take the certificate for this course, like this computer vision or with real-time development, so definitely you have to first of all purchase this course. Okay, then you will be able to generate the certificate. Okay, but if you're doing free courses, see, we also have the free courses here. So let me show you. So see, free courses is also available. If you click here, so here you can filter out. Let's say I want to do free courses. Okay, here you will be getting the free certificate. But if you want to do any paid courses, okay, there you have to purchase the course first of all. And see, I will suggest instead of purchasing actually individual courses, what you can do, you can take the Uran Plus subscription. Okay. So once you are taking the Uran Plus subscription, you can access all the courses. Okay. Whether it's a recording, whether it's a live, okay, whether it's a self-placed, everything you can access. Even we also have something called webinar. Okay. So what happens, every, let's say, weekends, we try to conduct the webinar on top of the latest technology. So just after this class, we have another webinar on top of the agentic AI. Okay, so if you haven't done the registration, guys, you can do so. Let me share the link in the chat. So from here you can do the registration and you can attend this particular webinar. All right. So now let's start with our agenda, like introduction to computer vision. First of all, we'll try to learn what is computer vision exactly. This course is paid. Okay, Mohammed, this course is paid. You can see. Let me show you. So this is the link, and if I open in incognito window, this is a paid one. Okay, and this is the price. Okay, only $24. And this is the live course. Okay, this would be in a live mode. No, not on YouTube. So like few session we'll try to let's say conduct on YouTube, but remain would be available over the dashboard itself. Okay. Hmm. So if you're interested, you can purchase this course. It's like super affordable. Okay, only $24. And if you're taking Run Plus subscription, you don't need to actually take it individually. Okay, you can access all the courses from the Run site. Okay. So first of all, let me write down the agenda. Okay, whatever things we are going to discuss today. So today, first of all, we'll try to. So here, let me write the agenda. First thing, we'll try to discuss uh, what is computer vision. Okay. Then we'll try to discuss like how computer vision works. Okay. Then we'll see. mm, Sorry, different. Okay, different type of mm, okay, different type of computer vision task. Okay. Then we'll try to see different application. Okay, of computer vision. CV means computer vision. Then we'll see some challenges of CV. Then we'll also discuss about image. We'll try to learn, understand the image, understand the image data or video data. Then we'll also try to learn another important concept if time allows, okay, which is called filters. Okay, filters and its use case. Okay, then we'll also try to discuss about CNN, okay, convolutional neural network. Okay, so these are the entire agenda. So if time allows, I'll try to discuss these filters and CNN. Okay, and we'll have the dedicated practical session on the understanding the image and videos data, and we'll also try to see the filters, okay, how filter works and how it try to extract the features from the image. Okay, we'll try to first of all see everything in visual understanding way. Then we'll go to the CNN part, convolution neural network. Okay, inside that you'll be learning the custom, like say CNN, how to create the custom architecture. We'll be learning the, here I can write, we'll be learning the custom architecture, custom architecture. Then we'll be learning transfer learning, transfer learning. Okay, so in transfer learning you will be learning like a different model, whether it's a classification model, whether it's object detection model, segmentation model, okay, tracking model, each and everything we'll try to see. Then once we have learned these are the, let's say, theoretical understanding, we'll try to move to the next task. Okay, first of all we'll try to see the image classification, image classification. Okay, how to perform the image classification. Then we'll be doing object detection. Okay, object detection. So inside object detection you have different actually, let's say, algorithm framework, like we have YOLO, we have detectron. Okay, we'll also try to see each and everything. Then we'll be learning object tracking, object segmentation, segmentation. Then we have object tracking as well. Okay, object tracking. And we'll also try to discuss the GANs. Okay, the core GANs component. Okay, how GANs work exactly, each and everything we'll try to learn. Now let's pick up some question. Okay, so guys, if you have some question, let me know. Hmm. Okay, so let me take some question from the dashboard itself. Hmm, just a minute. So here what I can do, I can go to the dashboard. So guys, any query? Most awaited, but this going to be in YouTube. No, all the classes is not going to be on YouTube. No, will not deploy on the edge devices. Okay, edge devices we are not going to deploy. Maybe in future we may launch some course. Okay, there we'll see how to let's say deploy over the edge devices, but not in this course. We'll try to see in the cloud platform. Okay, Chaudhuri is asking, is CV part of GNAI? Is CV a part of GenAI? Yeah, you can consider CV is also a part of GenAI because currently whatever generative AI model you are having, large language model you are having, this is called multi-model. So it can support both kinds of data, whether it's a image data, whether it's a video data, whether it's a text data. Okay. So yes, again, CV is a part of GenAI. How long it will take to complete all the uh, on the CV part in the GenAI? Complete all C. 7 p.m. His CV is a part of GNAI. How long it will take to complete all? Okay. See, I told you, so it will take around like 2 to 3 months. Okay, but we'll try to uh, I cover okay in between. We'll try to see. Do we are doing project? Yes, definitely we'll be doing the project. Even you can see the curriculum. So if I open the curriculum now, so here you will see we have the project section. Okay, below. So there you will try to do like different project, whether it's a classification, whether it's object detection, okay, whether it's image segmentation, whether it's a tracking. Okay, we'll do the project definitely. So without project it would be hard for you to understand, okay, how computer vision works exactly. So that's why the course name is computer vision with real time development. Okay, so here we'll try to more focus on the development part. See, no, just to start neuron. Okay, I left high neuron. Arpit. Is it free? No, it's not free. It's a paid course. Okay. Today is the introduction session. That's why it is going live over the YouTube. What type of data set we are using? Here we'll be using mostly image data and video data. How many month will take to complete this course? 2 to 3 months. Is ML knowledge required? If you have the ML knowledge, definitely it will help you a lot to understand the architecture. Okay, Roshan. Prince is ML. Yes, ML. If you know, it would be plus point for you. But if you don't know, it's completely fine. Hmm. What are prerequisite, Bappi? Prerequisite, I'm expecting you are familiar with Python programming, basics of deep learning. Okay, Python programming and basics of deep learning. Yes, deep learning knowledge is required because here I'm not going to discuss the like core deep learning like artificial neural network. So here we'll try to start from the CNN, that is convolutional neural network, and to understand the convolutional neural network, like how backpropagation happens and all, you have to know about the ANN. Okay, artificial neural network, Roshan. So it's required. So which model are you going to use? So here we are not going to use any specific model. Here we'll try to see various kinds of transfer learning model, Thomas. Okay. Yeah. So we'll try to see from the image classification, like we have VG16, ResNet, Inception. Okay. Mobile net. Then in object detection, we have fast start CNN. Okay. Then we have YOLO. We have Detectron. We'll try to see that. Then from segmentation, we have faster RCN, mask RCNN. Okay. Everything we'll try to see. OpenCV. See, OpenCV is a library. Okay, it's a computer vision library. So it's a kinds of, you can say it uses actually hard cascade model. So it's not I mean actual computer vision. Okay, but if you want to create some dummy application, you can do it. But here we'll be trying to learn the actual computer vision. Okay, with the actual neural network concept. And CV is just a library. It will help you to do the image processing task. Okay, mostly we'll also try to use the CV to, let's say, load any image, to process any image. Okay, but we are not going to use the OpenCV for the development. I know Python and ML, but I didn't complete the DL part yet. It will be hard for me to start with. Uh, Not really, but see, whenever I'll try to discuss some theoretical concept, so maybe you may face some difficulty. But again, be with me. I'll try to simplify, okay, as much as I can, and definitely you'll try to understand the practical, okay. Hmm. Because computer vision is all about practical, guys, okay. So if you understand the practical, so things would be more easy to you. Unless and until you are not doing the hands-on, you are not playing with the data, things would be complicated to you, okay. So I'll suggest, first of all, try to start with the practical development. Later on, if you want to deep dive into the theory, let's say you are writing some research paper and all, that time you can, I mean, jump into the mathematical part and all, okay. Hmm. All right. So now let's start with our first discussion. What is computer vision exactly? Now, can anybody tell me what is computer vision, guys? Do you know what is computer vision exactly? Let me know. Anyone? Anyone? Any idea about computer vision? What exactly the computer vision is? What do you think about computer vision? See, computer vision. It's nothing but okay. It enables enables machine or computer to have a vision system, okay, close to human, okay, close to human. So this is the definition of computer vision. That means uh, computer vision enables machine and computer to have the vision system close to human. Okay, so let's say as a human being, we have the vision system, yes or no? We can see something, right? And based on that, we can identify whether what kinds of, let's say, object it is. Okay, let's say there is a cat, and if you can see the cat, you will try to recognize that cat. Okay, this is a cat. Even you can locate that cat, like where this cat is located. So everything you can do, okay, as a human being, yes or no? Okay, just a minute. Hmm. Okay, now see um, how computer vision works exactly. Uh, huh. So now let me show you how computer vision works exactly. So there is an image I want to show you. After seeing this image, your understanding would be clear. So this is the image. Now just see this image, guys. Okay. So just try to compare with the human and the computer vision. Okay. Like our human vision and the computer vision. So here you can see. Okay. So many people has given like the definition: computer vision enables computer to process image and videos and all others visual data, image or videos processing. Okay. Yeah, it is also correct. Correct. Okay. So see, this is the uh, one actually image I have actually given here. So here you can compare. Let's say this is the human vision system. So let's say there is an object. Let's say there is multiple object, dog and cats. First of all, uh, you you just try to see this particular object with your eye, right? And your brain will try to process. Okay, and after processing, you'll try to identify whether what kinds of object it is. Okay, how many object is present there. So here you can see it is trying to identify there is a cat and there is a bulldog. Okay. So similar concept we also try to apply in the computer vision. So what happens? Let's say there is some object. So we'll try to use some sensing actually device. Sensing device means you can also talk it up. I mean consider about the camera. Okay. So camera is actually visual device. Yes or no, guys? Okay. With the help of the camera, we can capture any photo. We can capture any videos. Okay. So that's why we call it as a sensing device. So with respect to the sensing device, we'll try to capture the image. Okay. Then we'll try to send to the inter interpreting device. Okay. What is interpreting device? This is nothing but your computer. Okay. So you can compare this computer with the brain. and you can compare this sensing device with your eye. Okay, then your computer will try to process this particular image, it will try to understand, and it will try to tell you whether it's a cat. Okay, so that's how actually your computer vision works. That means it will try to mimic the complete human behavior. Okay, human vision system. Got it, guys? Yes or no? Tell me. Did you get it, guys? Please reply in the chat. What is computer vision exactly and how it works? Clear, guys? Okay. Hmm. Fine. Okay, so by seeing this image, you got the computer vision understanding. Okay, how exactly it works. Okay, but there's some step actually we usually follow whenever we try to create a computer vision application. So here are the steps. So let me show you another image. So these are the steps actually we usually follow whenever we try to create any computer vision application. So the first is you have to acquire an image. Okay, acquire image means you have to acquire the data. Definitely in computer vision, we'll be collecting the image data or video data. Yes or no, guys? Okay, mostly we'll try to collect the image data and video data. Okay, then after that, we'll try to process the image data or video data. Processing means, let's say, all the image is not in the same size. Some of the image will have some, let's say, a problem. We'll also try to fix that. Okay. We'll also do some padding operation. We'll try to convert the image into numerical representation. That means to the pixel value. So these kinds of processing we have to do in the processing section. Then once it is done, we'll try to understand the image with respect to the different, okay, neural network model. Okay, so I already told you we have actually different model. Let's say what doing image classification. In image classification, we have different model, like we have VG16, we have Inception, we have ResNet. With the help of that, we can do the feature extraction, and this particular architecture can understand, okay, what kinds of image it is, and in that image what kinds of, okay, object is present, so it can understand automatically. Okay, yeah, then in object detection, we'll try to identify the object location. Okay, so there is a difference between image classification, object detection, image segmentation, okay, object tracking. I'll discuss each and everything, no need to worry. Okay, so these three stages we usually perform whenever we do any kinds of computer vision application. Okay. Hmm, fine. All right, now let me show you different types of actually computer vision task. So there is another image I want to show you. So this image will give you the entire idea about the different types of computer vision task. So see, this is the image, guys. So in this image, you can see we have four kinds of tasks, okay, inside computer vision. Not four kinds of, we have five kinds of, okay, 5 to 6 kinds of tasks. Like we have also object tracking and GANs, okay. But as of now, I'm not considering the tracking, because tracking I will tell you, okay, separately. But try to see the first task we have called classification. So what exactly the classification? Classification means, let's say that you have one image, okay, and your model needs to identify what kinds of, okay, image it is. Let's say in that image actually there is a cat, so your model needs to classify whether it's a cat image or whether it's a like dog image or any other actually animal image. Your model has to classify, so this is called classification. Okay, so it will only try to classify, okay, whether it's a cat, whether it's a dog, whether it's a horse, okay, or any other animal. So this is called classification. Then there is another task you have called localization. Classification plus localization, and we call it as a object detection. Okay, you can, or you also call it as a object detection. But previously people used to tell actually classification plus localization. Okay, you are locating that particular object. See, you are locating that particular object. Okay, but later on they updated to the object detection. Okay, what is object detection exactly? It will first of all try to locate the object. Let's say whether it's a cat, whether it's a dog, okay, and it will try to assign a label. Let's say this is a cat and this is a dog, and it will also give you some percentage value, okay, like some confidence value. Let's say 70% confidence this is a cat, let's say 80% confidence this is a dog. Okay, this is called object detection. That means it is trying to locate that particular object first of all, then it will creating a bounding box, okay, then it is also assigning the label of that particular object, which is not available in the classification. Classification will only classify the image, not do, it will do the localization. Okay, now you can ask me why object detection is required, why we can't use the classification approach to, let's say, do the same task. Because what happens, let's say whenever you have the multiple image inside one image, that time actually classification won't be working. Whenever you have the single image, it's completely fine, your model can only see there is a cat. But let's consider this image. Okay, let me rub. Let's consider this image. In this image you can see we have multiple images, we have cat also, we have dog also. So that time my model will try to confuse, okay, whether I have to classify as a cat or whether I have to classify as a dog. Okay, but sometimes it will give you the classification as a dog. Why dog? Because here the dog image is very big, okay, it is getting more dominant here, so that's why it will try to classify as a dog. Okay, but here you can see still cat is there, but your model won't be able to understand that. So that's why we will be using the object detection instead of using the classification technique. Okay, and from here we will identify the location of the object, and we'll also try to classify whether it's a cat, whether it's a dog. Okay, this is the main idea here. See, there is also duck. Okay, duck is also there, right? So small object it can also detect. Clear, guys, all of you? Let me know. So the difference between classification, localization, object detection, are you clear? Let me know. So these are the foundation, guys. Okay, if you are confused with this foundation, so definitely will face the difficulty, okay, going forward. Hmm. Localization once more. See, localization means you are locating the object only. Okay, you are locating the object. Let's say this is the cat. Okay, this is the cat, right? Your model has classified this is the cat image, but your model doesn't know where this cat located. Okay, where this cat located, let's say this cat is located as the middle position, but sometimes in some image you will see the cat would be located at the, okay, below of the image. That time you have to locate. Okay, and to locate we'll be using the bounding box that time. Okay, and this is called localization. You are localizing that object where the cat is present. Okay, but whenever you have the multiple image, okay, with multiple category, that time you'll be applying the object detection. Got it? Sasubat. Hmm. Now there is another task we have called instance segmentation. Okay, um, see, there are different kinds of segmentation, but instance segmentation is the more popular one. Okay, I will also discuss about instance segmentation, no need to worry. See what segmentation does exactly. Segmentation will try to segment that particular object. Okay, that means it will try to segment only that particular object, not any other, let's say, background. So in object detection what happens, you can see it is detecting the object is completely fine, but can you see it is also detecting some extra background of that particular, let's say, object. Can you see some extra background? But let's say sometimes you don't need the extra background, you only need the object. Let's say this particular dog only you need, this dog part only you need. That time your object detection won't be working, you have to use the segmentation technique that time. Now see, perfectly it will try to segment. Let's say this is the dog, and rest of the thing it will try to, okay, remove it. It won't be considered. Now can anybody tell me one application of this instance segmentation currently I'm using, okay, in the live class? Let me know. Anyone? How to train the classification, I will let you know. Okay, just we have started the course, everything we'll try to discuss. How to train, how to build the application, we'll try to see everything. Now can anybody tell me the one real-time application use case of the segmentation? And I'm giving you a hint, currently I'm using it in the live session. Any idea? Guys, let me know. So see, let me show you. So guys, are you familiar with nvidia broadcast? Are you familiar with nvidia broadcast? Anyone is using? Let me know. Anyone used nvidia broadcast? So NVIDIA Broadcast is a, like, actually tool. Uh, Actually, this is a AI tool they have created. So here you can do the sound configuration and all. Even you can also remove the background noise and all. Okay. Even you can also do the speaker configuration. Even you can also do the camera configuration. Okay. See, camera. Now here I'm doing the background replacement. Okay. See, here I can also remove my background. See, there is no background currently. I can also add the virtual background. Okay. Virtual background. Even I can also do the blower operation. Okay, so everything is possible here. Fine. So how this thing is working? This is applying segmentation only. So it is trying to segment me here. See, it is trying to segment me and my chair. Okay. And rest of the background it is removing and it is replacing with any other background. So this is the real world use case of the instance segmentation, guys. Got it? So everyone is using, but they don't know. You are also using in this thing in your Google Meet, Zoom, okay, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere you are using this. So nowadays you will see that background remover, then you have different actually, let's say tool came in the market. So these are the application are using instance segmentation only. It is trying to segment the object, rest of the thing it is removing, and then you can replace anything. Okay, this is the idea. So NVIDIA broadcast is one of them. Okay, it is using segmentation. Now tell me, guys, got it? Hmm. Fine. So I hope, guys, you now you got it, like the difference between like your this what classification, localization, object detection, and instance segmentation. Now there is another actually, let's say, task we have called object tracking. So let me show you one demo of object tracking. So what I can do, I can take a different image, object tracking demo. Let me just see one image. Maybe I can show you one video, that would be better instead of showing the image. Or let me just check whether we have anything or not. So we have one GIF. Okay. So I got one actually GIF image. So I think you can see, guys, this GIF image, all of you. So here you can see this is one GIF image, and here what is happening? See, so here football match is going on, and the camera actually they're using, okay, to record this particular match. So they're also applying real time tracking operation. Now see what is happening. It is tracking these are the player. Can you see? It is tracking the player. See, it is this particular bounding box is moving with the player, and on top of that there is some id, unique id is generating with respect to all the player. So first of all it is doing the object detection. First of all it is trying to detect the player, okay, as well as the ball, okay, and as well as the black player. Then it is continuously tracking that particular object. Okay, so to perform the tracking, first of all you have to detect the object, then you have to apply the tracking. Okay, so this is one real-time application of the tracking. Okay, we mostly use in the sport industry. Then you will be using in that let's say traffic. Okay, most of the traffic, let's say, system, we also have the same system. Okay, it will continuously track the vehicle. Okay, vehicles, it will try to extract the license plate. So they actually they use this actually I mean task. Okay, which is called object tracking. Got it? What is object tracking exactly? And we'll do in practical. Okay, no need to worry, each and everything we'll try to do in practical way, so things would be more clear. As of now I'm only showing you, okay, what are the tasks you can do with the help of computer vision. Now there is another things actually came in the market called key point detection. Key point uh, detection. So this is actually more famous nowadays because of the yoga and the exercise application. So mostly you will see over the Play Store there are some application actually they will give you the gym guide, then they will give you the yoga guide. Okay, how they work actually with respect to this key point detection. So it will try to detect your key points. So whether you are doing perfectly exercise or not, your movement is correct or not. Okay, it will try to track and it will try to give you the score. Okay. Hmm. So see, it will only try to detect the key points. So these are some key points, okay? Key points. Then we also have face detection and face recognition. So we have some face alignment. With respect to that, we try to get that face embedding. and it will try to recognize the face. So currently we're also using the face recognition system on our smartphone, on our computer. Okay, so different places we also have this particular application. So this is another application. Okay, we'll also try to see. Even we'll also do one project, okay, of this face recognition system. We'll try to build one application called attendance system. Okay, we'll try to create the entire attendance system app, right? Then we have GANs. Are you familiar with GANs, guys? GANs. See, this is the GANs. GANs means it can generate a new image for you. So currently, those who are familiar with actually generative AI, they already know about GANs. So they use something called GANs kinds of model, so that it can generate a new content. Okay, whether it's an image, whether it's a text, okay, it can generate. We'll also try to see the GAN application. Okay, how to build the GAN from scratch. Everything we'll try to discuss here. Generate synthetic data. Yes, with the help of GAN, we can also generate the synthetic data. Okay. Hmm. All right. So yes, so these are the tasks are available inside actually computer vision. So classification, localization we are not going to do because it has been updated to the object detection, and instance segmentation. And inside segmentation, you also have different kinds of segmentation. Okay, so let me show you some of the segmentation technique. So here you can search um, instance segmentation or image segmentation type. So if you go to the Google, you will see different image. So let me take one of them. Mhm. So there was an image actually. See, you have actually three kinds of segmentation. One is the instance segmentation, panoptic segmentation, and you have the semantic segmentation. Okay, instance, semantic, and panoptic. So there is another image. Let me just find that image. Right, this one. But this quality is not good. Let me check. I'll open image in a new tab. Yes, so this is the quality. I'll try to copy, and here let me paste. Okay, see, these are some types of segmentation. Okay, so let's say this is your original image. This is your original image. So let me take a new color. This is your original image. So you have one actually segmentation technique called semantic segmentation. So in semantic segmentation, what happens? It will try to segment all the objects. Okay, all the objects and background, everything. So first of all, let's say it has segmented this card. Okay, card, and car is a object. Okay, and see, you can see the car color is same. That means this particular entity color is same. Then there are some person has segmented with respect to the red color. Then this has also segmented the road, entire road, with the same color. Then it has segmented the trees. Okay, you can see trees with the same color. It has also segmented the sky. You can see this is the sky, and this is the building area. Okay, with the same color. So this is called semantic segmentation. So it will try to segment all the objects, all the background, okay, with the same color. Okay, and what about the instance segmentation? Okay, instance segmentation will only segment the object, not the background. You can see it has segmented the card, but the color is different. Okay, all the color is different, even the person also color is different, and rest of the things it is trying to remove. Okay, this is called instance segmentation. Now there is another one called panoptic segmentation. In panoptic segmentation, what happens? It will try to segment everything. Like this is the same as per your semantic segmentation, but only difference is the color would be changed. Okay, with respect to each and every object. Okay, so here color is same, but here color would be different. This is the idea. Let me know, guys. Clear? Bro, diffusion model will generate videos based on text. Please give me a clarification below. Yes, diffusion model can actually generate videos, okay, based on the text. There are some hybrid model, okay, and that can do PSSD. You can go to the Hugging Face website and there you can search for diffusion model. You'll see some demo model. Okay. Mm. But here we are not going to explore the diffusion model. We'll try to see the core computer vision. So let me know, guys. Are you now you got it about the like segmentation? Okay, different kinds of segmentation. Yeah. And guys, those who want to join this particular course, so what you can do, you can take the Uran Plus subscription, guys. Okay, so it's only $38. So if you're taking this subscription one time, 1 year actually you can access all the courses from the Uran side, whether it's a live course, recording course, okay, everything you can access. Fine. And if you're taking individual courses, that time it will be only limited to the individual courses. Okay, you can't access any other courses. So one student, one subscription. All right. Yes, this course is completely beginner to advanced. Right. All right. Okay. Now let's discuss some application of computer vision. Now, guys, can anybody tell me some application name of the computer vision? Any idea? Let me know some application name of the computer vision you are using in your day-to-day life. Okay, all of you. So let me know some name so that I can write here some application of CV. Uh, oh, yeah, there is another actually. Let's say task we usually do called OCR. Okay, OCR called optical character recognition. Let's say you have a text in an image, and if you want to extract that text, you can use OCR. We'll also try to see the OCR. Okay, OCR will try to explore. Okay, so SuperKids is telling object detection. See, object detection is a task. Okay, it's not an application. Tell me some application name. Okay, it's a task, but what about the application name of object detection that you are using? We are also example. Yes, virtual. Um, yeah, reality is also example. Okay, yeah. So self-driving car is one of the examples. Self-driving car. Okay, it is also use computer vision because what happens in the self-driving car? It has to let me show you self-driving car environment. We'll also build one self-driving car project, guys. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, how to build a self-driving car. Self-driving car environment. So let me show you. Uh, See, here you can understand. See, whenever self-driving car moves on, na. So here, see, it has to detect, segment, okay, classify everything. Okay, so it has to detect whether it's a car and the position of the car. It will try to segment, then the road, buildings, okay, traffic light. It has to detect, segment everything. So it is the application of computer vision, self-driving car. Okay. Hmm. Now there is another one. You can talk about facial. Okay, facial recognition. Recognition. So we have face detection system. Okay, this is also one of the application. Then we have augmented reality. Okay, AR. Then in healthcare also, we use actually different actually application nowadays. So are you familiar with, guys, this one, brain tumor? Did you see like brain tumor scan image? Anyone? So there is a machine nowadays, okay, in the healthcare industry. So with the help of that, actually they can detect the brain tumor and all. See, with the help of CT scan image. So here you can see this part is having the tumor. Okay, see, it is segmenting out the tumor position. So that's how we have thousands of applications that we are using in our day-to-day life. See, currently people are more worried about the generative AI, but computer vision is also important because computer vision is also having actually very good impact over our, let's say, environment, over the market nowadays. There are so many companies, they're looking for computer vision developer. Okay, so they are doing this kinds of project. So personally I prefer computer vision a lot, because if you see my YouTube channel, I created so many tutorials regarding the computer vision, because in computer vision here everything you can visualize, but in text data you can't visualize. Okay, that's why personally I like computer vision, because here everything is visualization. Everything you are playing with the images and videos, so this makes actually more sense. Okay, and this will give you more inspiration to build the project. Okay, personally I prefer a lot apart from the NLP. But again, GNAI is the demand, okay, currently in the market. But again, computer vision is also having the demand, because in GNAI also it is being used nowadays. Okay, so that's why you also need to know about the computer vision and all the tasks of the computer vision. Okay, it is also super important. Got it. Hmm. So in healthcare industry, we also have different application like blood loss measurement, then cardiology, tumor detection, cancer detection. Okay, then we have uh, medical imaging. So these are the actually application we have in the healthcare industry of this computer vision. Hmm. Now, whenever you are working with this field, you will face some challenges, difficult, definitely. Okay, so now let's discuss some challenges of computer vision. Challenges. So the first challenge you will be facing, okay, hardware. Or the first challenge I can write as data. Okay, data, or you can also call it as quality data. Quality data. Okay, because to work with the computer vision you need huge amount of data. Okay, and it should be image data. So sometimes collecting these other data is difficult for us, right? But nowadays we have the GenAI, like we have LLM. With the help of that we can easily generate any kinds of image. Okay, it is possible nowadays. Computer vision is easy because with respect to these are the generative model, we can generate the image. But previous days, whenever we didn't have the GenAI, so people used to get the difficulty that time. Okay, because they had poor quality data. Okay, but nowadays we have the high quality data. Now the second like challenge you will be getting the hardware. Okay, hardware. Why hardware? Because to train these kinds of computer vision model you need good instance, good configuration machine. Okay, um, but if you don't have that, so it would be very much difficult for you. Let's say you are training 10,000 images. Okay, 10,000 images, just try to consider this 10,000 image computation. Let's say you are using core i3. Okay, core i3 processor with 8 GB RAM, so it's not enough for that. So definitely you need one GPU based machine to process the entire image, because image is nothing but it's a pixel at the end. Okay, do you know, guys, what is image exactly? So what is the image representation? So let me show you image as pixel. Image is nothing but it's a pixel, and pixel is having value. It's a matrix. Okay, let me show you. So let's say this image I can take, and here I can paste it, and then it's a matrix. See, let's say this is your image, there is a person face. Now if you zoom this image, okay, if you zoom this image, you will see there would be a pixel. This is called pixel. Actually this box is called pixel. Okay, and in this box actually you have some numbers. You can see you have some numbers 0 to 255, I think. you have some numbers. Okay, and if it is 0, that means it's a black. And if it is actually, sorry, if it is close to 0, that means it's a dark color. If it is close to the number, that means it's a white color. Okay, so that's how one image represents. And if you calculate, extract all the value, so it will become a matrix actually. Okay, it will become a matrix. Now you can calculate the matrix size: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 cross 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 16. Okay, 12 cross 16 size image. Okay, that means the width of the image is 12. Okay, and the height of the image is 16 pixel. Okay, so that's how one image represents, guys. How we expect the demand this course? How we expect demand this course? Yeah, it has the demand in the market. Yeah, good, definitely good career opportunity. Okay, in computer vision, because there are so many actually job role are available. Do you have OCR and imagining scan include in? Yeah, OCR will try to also learn how this course will be different from the upcoming DLCB project course. See, in DLCB project course, we'll try to develop a project only. Okay, end-to-end project we'll try to develop. But in this course, we'll try to learn the core computer vision, like classification, object detection, segmentation, each and everything. Okay, but there we'll only try to build the application directly. Let's say I'll pick up a model, I'll take a data, I'll create the entire pipeline. Right? Okay, that's how. If you are interested in project development end to end, that time you can follow that course. Hmm. Okay. Now the next challenge actually you have called uh, week planning of the model development. Week plan for model development. Okay. So what happens? Let's say sometimes whenever you have one problem statement and you want to use one model. So some of the people will create the custom model. Some of the people will try to use the transfer learning model. Okay. So that's how you have to plan for that particular, let's say, architecture. Okay. You have to plan for that particular architecture. So if you're not planning, what will happen? You will end up with a poor model, but we don't want that. Okay. We don't want a poor model. So to plan, uh, like how to use the model efficiently inside our development, we have to know some technique. Okay, we have to know about the model parameter. We have to know like how to freeze all the layer of the pre-trained model, how to add some custom architecture at the last. Okay, we also need to do that. So that's why we plan for the model development. So if you don't have the understanding on the architecture, so sometimes you may end up with a poor model. Okay, that's why you have to learn the basics. Hmm. And the next actually challenge you can talk about proper knowledge. Okay, knowledge of the domain. Okay, domain. So definitely you should have the proper knowledge of the domain. Let's say you are working in the computer vision, so you should have the knowledge of about the domain. Okay, so you should know about the like core foundation understanding of the image processing and all. So if you understand this, it would be easy for you to build the model. Okay. Yes. So that's why here I included, we'll be learning about the images and the filters. Okay. So in the agenda section, you can see we'll be also learning about here, I think, understand the image and filters. Okay. And its use cases and the CNN architecture. So these three component is very much important. Okay. So today, I think it is not going to possible because it's already actually over 8. Okay, after that actually we have another webinar. So maybe in tomorrow's class I will try to show you, okay, the image processing, how to use the different filters to extract the edges. Okay, like how your computer will try to understand yeah, how it will try to extract the features, everything we'll try to see in a practical way. Okay, so it will take time. Hmm. All right. Now one more thing I want to discuss about the image. See, image is having different channel. Okay, so see the image actually I have showed you. This is the this is called actually black and white image. Can anybody tell me how many channel actually black and white image is having? How many channel black and white image is having? Tell me. Image channel, you can search image channel. Yes, computer vision. Black and white is white image is having only one channel. Okay, so here let me show you. So here was one. Here is one example. This example you can see. Okay, see this is the color image channel. Color is image is having three channel. Okay, like B G R. Okay, that means blue, green, and red. You can also call it as a RGB. But on the other hand, black and white is having only one channel. Okay, fine. Hmm. And nowadays, actually, there is another image actually called PNG image. PNG image is having four channel. PNG image is having four channel. Let me show you. So this is the channel. Okay. So the last channel we call it as a transparency or blowout challenge. Okay, a channel. So red, green, blue, and transparency. So maybe I can show you some different example. Mm, Transparent. Or let me draw it here. Let's say if I'm talking about black and white, it is only having one channel. Okay. Whenever I'm talking about color, so it is having three channels. So R, then green, G, then we have blue. Okay. So this is R, this is G, and this is P. Okay, RGB, three channel. So with respect to this three channel, it will contact one color image. Okay, and all the value inside this channel, uh, it is represent to 0 to 255. Okay, 0 to 255. 0 means this is close to black, and 255 this is close to white. Okay, and if you combine all the RGB, okay, RGB together, it will conduct or it will create a new color for you. Okay, that's why in a color image you will see different colors. Okay, would be available. Fine. Hmm. And all the images are actually 8-bit image. 8-bit image. Now there is another image called PNG. PNG image. It is having four channel. So the first channels we have are, okay. Then second channel we have green. Then the third channel we have blue. And there is another channel called transparent. So here transparency. So here R, G, B, and this is also called alpha. Okay, alpha means transparency. Transparency. Okay, so this is actually PNG image. Yeah, Kuldeep, good evening. So let me know, guys. Now, are you comfortable with the image? What exactly the image is? Image is nothing but it's a pixel. Okay, and image is having some channel. Black and white is having only one channel. Color is having image is having three channel, and PNG image is having four channel. Let me know, all of you. No, how one channel, not two channel? Because see, here you only have uh, black and white, and to represent black and white, you need number 0 to 255, na 0 to 255, and 0 means this is the black and 1 means this is the white. That's why only one channel. Okay, you don't need two channel here. Okay, but here things are different. Here you are having the red channel, green channel, blue channel. Okay, and the number is also different. So maybe there are some calculator also, RGB calculator. You can also calculate the color. See 0 to 255 value. So if I say, let's say now R is 255. 255 means it is full red. It is full red. Now if you decrease the, let's say, color, let's say 55 only. Now see the color would be different. Now if you add some green here, let's say I will add 55 green. Now see this color is changing. Now I'll add some blue, let's say 77. Now see color is changing. Okay. Now let's say I will increase to 200. Green I will increase to 150. Okay. Then blue I will increase to 200. Okay, that's how. If you change, these are the channel color. Okay, you will be having different color, and that's how your color image is consist. Got it, Pradeep or Saswat? Okay, I hope now it is clear. Okay, why we need actually three channel in the color image? Let me know, all of you. Okay, now let's discuss about the video. See, if you understand the image, understanding video would be piece of cake to you. Okay, see, video is nothing but it's a stack of image only. See, whenever I'm talking about video, so video is nothing but it's a stack of image. Let's say this is frame 1, this is frame 2, okay, this is frame 3, and so on. Okay, let's say there is a football player. So let's say this is the position of the football player in the frame 1. Okay, this is the position. And frame 2, the player would be here. Okay, in frame 3, the player would be here. Okay, now if you just see this particular image, okay, in 60 fps or let's say 30 fps, that means frame per second, you will feel like this person is moving. Okay, this person is moving, and this is called actually video. So maybe let me show you image to video demo, computer vision. Mm, there are some actually GIF image actually I saw. Let me show you. Frame to video, image frame to video. I'm not getting an example, but if you see, if you search over the Google, you will see like it's just actually frame of image. Okay, frame of image. If you're, let's say, moving to 60 fps or let's say 30 fps, you will feel like this person is moving. Okay, so this is what actually your video. So at the end, whenever you are working with the video data, that means what you are doing, you are extracting the frame. Okay, you are extracting the frame from different time. Let's say this is t1 time 1, this is t2 time 2, this is t3 time 3. Okay, and you are extracting different frame, and on top of that you are applying actually different tasks. Let's say you want to perform object detection. So in the first frame 1, okay, t time, you are first of all detecting the object. Okay, then it is taking the frame 2, and in frame 2 t2 time, it is also trying to detect the same object, okay, in the second position. So that's how first of all it will try to convert it the image then it will try to apply the task, then again it will let's say convert it to the video. Okay, so this is the work of the video in computer vision. So at the end, image and videos are same. Okay, but videos is moving, image is not moving. Okay, this is the idea. That's why I think you saw like people are talking about 30 fps, okay, then 60 fps, because as a human being, okay, we can't actually see that many of moves, okay, in a second. So that's why it looks like something is moving there. FPS to video test. Fine. I saw some website actually. They have some visualization. I'll let you know. Okay, later on. So there you can visualize. Okay, everything. Hmm. Can you convert between PIL and OpenCV? So tomorrow, whenever I will load the image, I'll let you know. Okay, how to load. Okay, so Joe has given me one title. Let me search image frame to video with PSA sample. Turning image into frame in a video editing. Let me check. Actually, I'm not getting that website. Actually, there are some website. So here you can see like you have some demo. So here you can see, mm, see here you can see. Let's say you have different image frame, and whenever it moves, you feel like it's a video. Okay, and it has some frame rate. It has some frame rate. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Fine. So yes, so this is all about our computer vision, introduction to computer vision. Okay. So here we discussed like what is computer vision, how it works, the application of then the image and videos. We try to understand everything, right? Now in the next session, uh, thank you, Piyush. Now in the next session, what we'll do, we'll try to see the image processing. Okay, we'll try to how see like how to do the image processing. We'll try to see the filters. Okay, how filters actually extract the features from the image. Okay, then we'll try to discuss about the CNN, that is convolutional neural network. Okay, so this should be the next agenda. Fine. So please try to attend tomorrow's session as well, because see these are the foundation. If you understand this, going forward, whenever we'll try to learn the classification detection, it would be easy for you. Fine. Yeah. And these are the notebooks and everything I'll try to share. So let me just save as a PDF. So this is computer vision session. So day one, uh, CV. Just a minute. Day one CV. Mhm. So let me save. And this thing I will share in the dashboard. So those who are watching from the dashboard, they will be able to see that. But currently I can't upload because I haven't joined from my mentor account. Just let me know. Give me a second, guys. Let me upload it. Or here I can share a file. No, here I can't share a file. Let me log in with my mentor ID. Just a minute. Okay, I will share this PDF, okay, after the session. So from there you can download, okay, from the resources section in your dashboard. This PDF I will try to share with you. Okay. So next agenda, guys, we'll try to see the image actually processing. I will see the filters, okay, and the convolution neural network. Then we'll try to see the classification of the detection. Okay, we'll go into the actual computer vision task. This is the um, plan. Now let me know, guys, how was the understanding? At least the introduction of the computer vision. Let me know. Uh, I like the content you deliver on this platform along with your teaching. Thank you, P. Thank you. Sir, you are great. Clear. Okay, fine. So how was your understanding, guys? Overall, this introduction part of the computer vision. Let me know, all of you. Okay, I hope it was good. All right. And don't forget, guys, to put your reviews on the code section. Definitely just put your reviews here, put your ratings. Okay, this will give me more motivation. All right. And if you haven't taken this course, guys, computer vision with real time development, but if you're interested, what you can do, you can take the Uran Plus subscription. Okay, one time subscription, you can access all the courses. Hmm. And all the links, all that everything would be shared in the description. From there you can check it out, and if you have any query, so you saw like WhatsApp number, you can contact there. Okay, they will help you with that. Okay, so yes, guys, this is all about our computer vision introduction, and I hope you got it. Now if you have any query, let me know. Any kinds of query, you can let me know, otherwise we can end the session. And please join actually next webinar, guys. Let me show you the webinar. So if you go to the webinar section, so here you will see the webinar on the agentic AI. So let me show you. So this is the agentic AI webinar. Okay, it will start from 9 p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. IST. Okay, so thank you, guys, for joining the session. And always remember, consistency is the key here. If you are consistent enough, definitely you can achieve any kinds of goal. If you have started learning today, okay, try to complete until it's over. So don't try to leave anything, okay, in between. I have seen lots of people, they will start, but after some days actually they will leave, and definitely they will tell, sir, actually I'm not able to cope up. It's not like that. If you have started something, try to complete it. Okay, try to put some time, try to put give some effort. Definitely you'll see that you'll be getting the success. Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye everyone. Good night, and join the agentic AI webinar, all of you. Thank you, guys. Bye.